Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 Insider preview build for the release preview channel, which is the build 22631.2787, the latest build for the version 23H2. Of course, there is also a new build for version 22H2, but we're only covering the latest builds for the latest version of the Windows operating system. In this video, we're going to talk about the changes that are happening inside Windows 11, and also what is new, what has changed, and also what is fixed in regards to this build. So for that, please watch the video until the end. If you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. So in Windows 11 version 23H2 and starting with the recent builds, Microsoft is starting to preview changes in Windows to comply with the Digital Markets Act in the European Economic Area. So what are these changes? First of all, regarding the Windows operating system and apps, Microsoft will start to clearly identify operating system functionality in places like settings, start and search, and you'll see, for example, in the start menu's all apps list, every operating system component is now labeled with system under it, so that's one change. And also under search results will show operating system components labeled with system. So for example, if we search for settings, you're also going to notice that we have the system label here, and also inside settings and then system, we will have a new page called System Components, which will show notable operating system components. Also, all apps in Windows can now be uninstalled. So for example, the camera app, Cortana, web search for Microsoft Bing in the European Economic Area, also Microsoft Edge, and Photos. And as you can see, if you're in the European Economic Area, you can uninstall Edge in your operating system. Also another thing, in this region, the European Economic Area or the EEA, Windows will ask users if they want to sync their Microsoft account with Windows so that Windows data is available on their Windows devices and in Microsoft products that users sign into. And also related to default apps, Windows will continue to prompt customers when they are opening content that a newly installed app registers for, so they can easily change their default. There are also some other changes, but of course you can check that out in the article below that will lead you to the official Microsoft blog, where you will find in-depth information of all the changes that will happen to Windows 11 inside the EEA or the European Economic Area. And I think that is good to know because I'm sure that a lot of people from Europe are using Windows as their operating system. Now, related to this build from the release preview channel, you can now use Copilot in Windows across multiple displays. That is also nice. And you can also use Copilot in Windows with Alt plus Tab, and this will not change the functionality of Alt plus Tab, will just show Copilot in Alt plus Tab. Also, you can ask Copilot in Windows for help 10 times when you sign into Windows using a local account. After that, you must sign in with a verified account. These include a Microsoft account and Azure Active Directory. Related to Windows Spotlight, in the coming weeks, you might see Windows Spotlight set as the default background. This might occur when your background is set to an inbox Windows image. This update also affects the shortcut or context menu. Its performance is better when you open it on the desktop and in File Explorer. Also, this update addresses an issue that affects .rar files. They display as if they're empty in the File Explorer. Also, an issue when you download apps from Microsoft Store was fixed. They stop responding and will not update. Also, related to dynamic lighting, this update affects it. It reduces the amount of power it uses on your device. Also, Copilot should be opening faster in Windows after you update to this newest build. These are some highlights from this build. Of course, I didn't mention every change and every fix, but you can check that out in the article below if you're interested in that. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.